lot of people who have a bespoke knife made start off with a rather timid email. They've got a little idea and they've had it for years and they're really not sure if it's possible, and they ask us, and then we make it for them. You tell us exactly what you want it to look like and we will sketch it again and again until it's absolutely perfectly what's inside your mind's eye. We are the only people who can offer this bespoke service. For a large manufacturer, there's absolutely no interest in going to this huge effort to make one blade. For an artisanal maker who makes one or two blades every now and then, there's just simply not the ability to be so precise. So when we started, we thought bespoke knives would be really sort of technical knives made exactly for chefs. We found out that people take inspiration from a lot of different areas. People bring in their very old family heirloom knives for us to remake in modern materials. We get the weight the same, we get the balance the same, we get the geometry the same. That knife is now designed to last another lifetime. I think we're the only people in the world who offer a truly bespoke knife.